And good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on Eric's weather forecast. I'm your host, Eric. We're going to kind of make this as quickly as possible. There's so much to talk about, and this is in regards to all the severe weather that actually hit southeast Michigan. So I'm going to try and do this. I mean, there's going to be an extended live stream, and that's going to be happening sometime in the morning because we have a lot of coverage, we have a lot of damage, and all that kind of stuff. So there's a lot that happens. So we'll get started with what I do know, and the rest of it I'm figuring out right now. Okay, so we will begin. I didn't even expect to do this, but unfortunately we're going to roll with it. Okay, so actually for August the 11th, 2021, Southeast Michigan had severe weather, and I'm basically going to say they were very strong to severe. These were really powerful storms that we had. And I also want to report that Memphis, Michigan today, I would just say that the storm was very, very, very incredible. Didn't really expect it. That area, Memphis, Michigan, had destructive winds of 80 miles per hour. So unfortunately, it was a scary situation. Power went off several times today, not today, but yesterday. Power went out several times yesterday, and there were damaging winds as well with the constructive winds. So if you think about it, um, it okay, how can I say this? Basically, 80 mile per hour winds is basically destructive winds. So that is tornado. That's basically a very serious situation. So we're not just talking about thunderstorms. We're also talking about tornado weather, and that's exactly what we were dealing with because of the fact that Memphis, Michigan had a severe thunderstorm warning at 4. I don't know what time it was issued, but it was around 4. But the severe thunderstorm warning was in effect until 4:45. And the reason why that was issued was because of the possibility of a tornado. So that was a very serious situation with the 80 mile per hour winds that can do a lot of damage. So there was a lot of concern. I will update you if there is any debris or anything like that. I most definitely will be showing you bits and pieces from outside, and I will show you around a little bit and show you what happened after we had the aftermath. But I can tell you the power went off several times out in Memphis, Michigan. Not just one time; it went out a couple. It went out several times yesterday, so it was not a really cool situation. So unfortunately for us, we were not the only ones that were dealing with it. They did a lot of damage. So, unfortunately, people had, how can I say this? There were down trees, power lines. There were actually trees that were uprooted as well. So I'm now putting the story together. So we will be dealing with severe weather again today. I'm just trying to gather all of this information and everything at this time. But DTE is also out. There are tons of people that are without power. at this point. I don't know exactly what day your power will come on, but unfortunately, um, that's going to take time. I'll give you an update on the power situation. Some most definitely. Um, I'll have to look up on DTE and see, but there's a ton of people that are in the dark still from all of the constructive, uh, powerful storms that Southeast Michigan had. I'm going to see what we are going to be expecting for our Thursday forecast and how bad is the severe weather going to be today? Is it going to be as strong as it was today, with the possibility of isolated tornadoes? We'll actually figure all that out and let you know. So please remember to prescribe to Eric's weather forecast, and I will definitely be doing a lot of live streaming, most definitely on Thursday. So make sure that you tune in and watch my live stream tomorrow. So if there's any other updates or anything like that, I will update you guys and let you know what's going on. So unfortunately,